Hi, folks. Robert here with more Revit training. I had a question from, I'm not sure the name's about Hey with. You mentioned about these wire basket trays here. Now, this one here is a default family tray we created. And I'm going to open it, just kind of show you what's going on with this thing. I'm going to edit family. And so there it is. It can move and you can do some adjustments with it. So that family I got, and it's just a straight, or I would call a placeholder in any event. Now, these are fabrication parts. All of these are. And you should have a fabrication part extension on your computer. I'm in 2026 now. So what happens here is you would go, and they work pretty good. Only thing is they only have them in Imperial or in metric. I don't know why they don't have them in Imperial. So here I'm gonna go into my Systems tab, and under here you see Fabrication Part, and just hit that, and then you'll see this dialog come up over here. Now on the top here you got certain other types of you got ladder tray here, and you got wireway. I think I made a video of this once a while ago, but you can't really these are not really families. They're part of the what do you call that, a add-on. So for instance, you can take a straight here, you can place it, and there's your length and the properties. Now I think you can edit the width here. Let me see. I think you can. Okay. Now how do we do this one? I don't remember. So you can add like another part to that, and then you want to go a bend here. They work pretty cool, to be honest. They fit right in. Let's do another straight. Let's do a sweep. Got a bend there. And here now, I'm going to see if I can get a wider one here. So you select that guy. Okay, that's 100 by 100. And then we can go to, here's all the different sizes here. So let's go 600. And then you can go, so basically these are all the standard sizes. So these are not adjustable. Well, they are. This one's not adjustable, and this one I have. If you want that one, I'll email it out to you. It's just a straight. But these are precab families, and as far as the one you mentioned, the offset one, no, don't have this. This is see, that one goes there. Yeah, that's pretty neat, huh? You can go again. You can go back to straight. So anyway, that's all I want to show you. No, I don't have that. Sorry it took me so long to get back to you. These are prefab parts. So I will send you this thing right here, because I got it. But you should have these with Autodesk, with your Autodesk subscription. Um, I had it. I had to go get it added on, and here's where you load it up. It's you go into Systems, insert here, and then there's Fabric Import, MEP Fabrication Job Import. So hey, sorry I didn't have that, but I do have this family. I'll email it to you. It's just a one straight basket, and you can do different. We do have different widths on that one. So we've got them broken down. Okay, channel. Ooh, not that one. I'll send you one though if you like. I'll send one to you. And thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for the support. But yeah, these are basically fabrication parts. And then you want to do ladder. I mean, you got your regular ladder cable tray, but these work pretty good as well. See, there's your ladder. and then you can change the sizes. You get all the standard sizes to 150. Now these are all metric, and again, I don't know why they wire basket. They've only given this to you in metric, not the imperial. I don't ask me why. I couldn't tell you. But anyway, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, and yeah, let me know if you want this. Yeah, I do have this, but these are fabrication parts. If you look at them, oh, you can edit this too, huh? Ah, I didn't know that. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't know you can do that. Yeah, you're learning something new every day here. So hey, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe. Bye.